In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the actual head or footer HTML of HubSpot content. In order to add those codes, you need to head over right here into your actual content and choose between website or landing page that you want to edit. I have in here my home page that I want to edit. So for this case, click onto the settings, onto this part. Once you're in there, head over to the advanced tab. And you can see right here additional code snippets. So for this, you can see your head HTML as well as your footer HTML. You can just proceed to add right here the HTML that you want to add for the header as well as the footer. And you can also add canonical URL if you want. Once you have added the HTML that you want, so let's input right here a placeholder. You can just proceed to X this. As you can see, it will auto-save the changes that you have made, so you don't need to click on save button anymore. So that's all there is today. And if you have subscribed or you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.